Hello, in the previous video, I explained how to develop a test case for automation testing of mobile. In this video, I will explain how to prepare the test case which was developed in the previous step. To start the preparation, click on the Prepare Test Case button. From the pop-up, click on the Choose File button. Now, serve to the folder location where you have saved the test case. My test case is saved under the Documents folder, so I'm clicking and opening it. Now the test case has been uploaded. Click on the Prepare button to start the preparation. Wait till the preparation is completed. Now the preparation is completed. In the Jenkins, the prepared test case will be auto-created as a new job for easier execution. This is the test case which was prepared in this step. This is how you have to prepare the test case for mobile. In the next video, I will explain how to execute the test case which is prepared in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.